Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MOSY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and biggest volume this chart has had in quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one, so let's get some things mapped out from a technical perspective. The first thing to note is that I've done this analysis in the past. I'll be honest, I don't remember when that was, but the cool thing about my chart provider, eSignal, is no matter how much long ago I put up annotations, the software remembers where they are, and whenever I come back, those lines are still there. And I bring that up because one of these lines definitely now pertains to the chart. But before anything else, what I'm going to do real quick is a little house cleaning and get rid of these lines down here. Sure, they still pertain, they're just not relevant, and from the presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing clutter and confusion, so I want to try to keep this as clean as possible. Now, the one level that does need to come into play is right here at $1.32, $1.33. And where's that line coming from? Well, scrunching up the chart here, you can see that. So the last time I did the chart was probably, if I had to guess, back here in August. But back here in August, you can see that this area was indeed an area of resistance where the price rejected or was not able to get through there and was rejected back down. And a foundational rule in charting is that when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So now that you know where this red line is coming from, given that the price is up above it, ideally speaking, going forward, if the price can stay up above $1.33, that would be a huge sign of power. Now, taking a step back and looking at the big picture of things and really applying the KISS method here, keep it simple, stupid. It's really all about the 50-period simple moving average right there, that purple line, keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So again, from a very simplistic point of view, as long as the price stays above that purple line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health, full strength. However you can best visualize that, no questions asked. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, key level of resistance right up here at the $1.85 mark. Yeah, I realize the price went up above it a couple of times, but for the most part, I think we can all agree that is the kind of the common ground up there in terms of where the main points of price congestion occurred. All in all, any way you slice it, very nice move today. Now it's just a matter of whether or not the bulls can start to build higher bases, so we shall see.
One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.